Welcome back to your Finance Lab. Achieving financial independence is a dream for many, living life on your own terms, free from financial stress, and having the resources to pursue your passions. But how do financially independent people actually do it? What sets them apart from the rest? In today's video, we're uncovering 10 secrets of financially independent people, habits, strategies, and mindsets that you can start adopting today. These aren't magic tricks, they're proven practices that lead to financial freedom. Stick around until the end for a bonus secret that's often overlooked but incredibly powerful. Let's dive in. Secret 1. They define financial independence for themselves. Financial independence looks different for everyone. For some, it means retiring early. For others, it's about having the freedom to work on their own terms. Financially independent people start by defining what independence means to them, so they have a clear goal to work toward. When you know your why, it's easier to stay focused and motivated. Actionable tips. Reflect on what financial independence means to you: freedom, security, or time for passions. Write down your vision and calculate your FIRE, financial independence, retire early, number by multiplying your annual expenses by 25. Keep your goal visible to remind yourself of what you're working toward. Secret 2. They prioritize saving over spending. Financially independent people have one thing in common: they save aggressively. Many save 30%, 50%, or even more of their income by living below their means. They understand that every dollar saved today is a step closer to financial freedom. It's not about deprivation, it's about prioritizing long-term wealth over short-term gratification. Actionable tips. Aim to increase your savings rate gradually by cutting unnecessary expenses. Automate savings so a portion of your income goes directly into your savings or investment accounts. Reevaluate your spending habits every few months to identify new ways to save. Secret 3. They focus on building multiple income streams. Relying on a single income source is risky. Financially independent people diversify their income streams through side hustles, investments, businesses, and passive income sources. This not only accelerates wealth building but also provides security if one stream dries up. The goal is to make your money work for you, not the other way around. Actionable tips. Identify a skill or hobby you can monetize, like freelancing, teaching, or creating digital products. Invest in assets that generate passive income, such as dividend stocks or rental properties. Reinvest the income from these streams to grow your wealth faster. Secret 4. They invest early and consistently. Investing is the cornerstone of financial independence. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Financially independent people don't try to time the market. They focus on consistency and long-term growth. Small, regular investments add up over time, making a massive difference to your net worth. Actionable tips. Open a brokerage account or tax-advantaged retirement account like a Roth IRA. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs to diversify your investments. Set up automatic monthly contributions to your investment accounts to stay consistent. Secret 5. They avoid high-interest debt. High-interest debt, like credit card balances, is the enemy of financial freedom. Financially independent people avoid it at all costs, knowing that the interest payments eat away at their wealth. Instead, they focus on paying off debt quickly and using credit strategically. Debt isn't always bad, but it should always be managed wisely. Actionable tips. Pay off high-interest debt first using the avalanche method. Avoid carrying a balance on credit cards by paying them off in full each month. Only take on debt for investments that create long-term value, like education or real estate. Secret 6. They maintain a simple lifestyle. Financially independent people resist lifestyle inflation. They don't upgrade their lifestyle every time their income increases. Instead, they keep their expenses low and focus on building wealth. By living simply, they free up more money to save and invest. It's not about being frugal, it's about aligning your spending with your values and goals. Actionable tips. Before making a major purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your financial goals. Focus on experiences and relationships over material possessions. Celebrate milestones in meaningful but cost-effective ways to stay motivated. Secret 7. They continuously learn about money. Financially independent people never stop educating themselves about money. They read books, listen to podcasts, and follow industry experts to stay informed about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. The more they know, the better decisions they make. Knowledge is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. Actionable tips. Dedicate time each month to reading a finance book or taking a course. Follow reputable finance blogs, YouTube channels like Your Finance Lab, and podcasts. Share your knowledge with others to reinforce what you've learned. Secret 8. They protect their wealth. Building wealth is one thing, protecting it is another. Financially independent people prioritize insurance, estate planning, and diversification to safeguard their assets. They also prepare for unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies to ensure their wealth remains intact. Protection is just as important as growth when it comes to long-term financial independence. Actionable tips. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage, including health, auto, property, and life insurance. Create an estate plan, including a will or trust, to protect your assets. Diversify your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Secret 9. They surround themselves with like-minded people. The people you surround yourself with can influence your financial habits and mindset. Financially independent people build networks of like-minded individuals who inspire, support, and motivate them. They avoid negative influences that encourage overspending or poor financial decisions. Your environment plays a big role in your financial success. Actionable tips. Join personal finance communities online or in person to connect with like-minded individuals. Seek out mentors who can guide you on your financial journey. Limit time with people who discourage your goals or promote unhealthy spending habits. Secret 10. They measure progress regularly. Financially independent people track their progress toward their goals. Whether it's monitoring their net worth, savings rate, or investment growth, they stay on top of their finances and make adjustments as needed. Tracking progress keeps them motivated and focused on the big picture. Regular reviews ensure they're always moving in the right direction. Actionable tips. Schedule monthly or quarterly financial check-ins to review your goals and progress. Use tools like Personal Capital or spreadsheets to track your net worth and investments. Celebrate milestones like paying off debt or hitting a savings target to stay motivated. Bonus secret. They embrace delayed gratification. One of the biggest secrets to financial independence is the ability to delay gratification. Financially independent people understand that sacrificing short-term pleasures leads to greater long-term rewards. They focus on the bigger picture, knowing that patience and discipline pay off. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Actionable tips. Create a cooling-off period for non-essential purchases. Wait 24 to 48 hours before buying. Remind yourself of your long-term goals when you're tempted to spend impulsively. Celebrate small wins along the way to stay motivated while staying on track. Financial independence isn't a secret club. It's a result of consistent habits, smart strategies, and the right mindset. By adopting these 10 secrets, you can start building a life of freedom and stability, one step at a time. Which of these secrets will you start applying today? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips from your Finance Lab. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.